Alright, kantay na natin tong Every Breath You Take by the Palace. Yun. Nakaraan ay lead guitar lang tayo. Every breath you take, in every move you make, in every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. In every single day, in every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see you belong to me? How I fall heartache with every step you take, every move you make, in every bow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Ah, 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 ah. Oh, can't you say you belong to me? How I fall heartache with every step you take, every move you make, in every bow you break, in every smile you pick, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you say you belong to me? Thank you. Shout out sa lahat ng mga viewers natin. Ayun, katas pa rin ng paglilibang sa nakaraang bagyong Yuan. Ayun, shout out kay Hannah Bernal, Emma Pustrado, ayun, kay Maman Langit, ayun, dyan sa Manila. Ayun. Shoutout na rin kay Adrian Torcelino, ayun, at kay Andy Tropil, ayun. Shoutout na rin kay Armando Sabido Bernal dyan sa Cavite, at kay Angelo Vasquez. Ayun. Shoutout sa inyo lahat, at shoutout na rin sa lahat ng mga pinsan ko. Ayun. Shoutout na rin kay Buboy Salvador dyan sa Luzon. Ayun, matagal na kitang hindi na sa shoutout. At kay Anton Salvador. Shoutout na rin kay Susan. Ayun, magpagaling po kayo. Okay, thank you. At shoutout na rin kay Richard Padaba Guerrero. Ayan.